is there anything you want to talk about personally that we shouldn't talk about online? And then you told me this. I think it's
Yeah.
great. So let's get into that.
Yeah. The unmasking journey it's been fun and terrifying all at the same time. Right. And I think a big part of my own unmasking journey is looking at what are some of the narratives that I've taken on from my family, or what are some of the narratives that I've taken on culturally as a black person in America. What are some of the narratives I've taken on just societally as a man, and what does that mean?
Hmm.
And so some of those pieces are, oh, you don't talk about your mental health, you don't talk about your struggles and your challenges, you don't talk about going through a divorce, you don't talk about all of these things.
Hmm.
And the more I thought about it, I'm like, but that's asking me not to talk about my humanity. That makes no sense to me, right? And I'm having to either put on this mask or pretend that it's not happening, and that is dismissing like this whole emotional side of
Hmm.
me, which I actually think contributed a lot to my voice issues,
A hundred
right?
percent.
So one of the things that I wrote and that I've been kind of working through is pay attention to the emotions behind the curtain.
Good reference there.
And that is like my anchor point right now as I kind of move through the unmasking process,
Hmm.
because I'm tired of carrying around my shame and other people's shame and societal shame and
Hmm.
familial shame. It's like, if that's what I have to do to be a man or a black person or whatever in today's society, then I don't necessarily want it. What I do want is to
Hmm.
be human, and this is
Yeah.
part of my human experience.